Hello. Hello and welcome to today's class. In today's class, we will continue learning about the Roman numerals. Last time we learned about the Roman numerals 1 to 10, that is I to X. So this time we'll continue from 10 and get up to 100. Let's begin. Identifying Roman numerals. There are so many Roman numerals and we've identified a few. Last time we talked about I and V and X, but this time we'll continue from there and we'll talk about X. We'll also get to learn what L stands for, or the symbol L in the Roman numerals, and C. What is C in Roman numerals? If you can remember, we said X stands for 10. So whenever you see X in the Roman numerals, we're talking about number 10. X, X. Whenever you see 2x, X, X, in the Roman numerals, it stands for 10 plus 10. And 10 plus 10 is 20. So double X, 2x, or you say XX, stands for 20 in digit form. X, X, X. So we have 3 x's, and 3x is 10 plus 10 plus 10. And 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. So X, X, X in the Roman numeral stands for 30. The first new letter we'll get to look at is L. In our last class we talked about I, V and X, and in this class we'll get to learn what L stands for. Now L in the Roman numeral stands for 50. So whenever we see L, it signifies 50, the number 50. We have L, we know L is 50, but what if we add an X to the left hand side of L? Remember, when a smaller number is added to the left hand side of a bigger number, we would subtract the small number from the bigger number. Here L is the bigger number 50 and X is the smaller number 10. So XL is 50 minus 10, which is 40. So XL signifies 40. L signifies 50. Whenever we have L or we see L in our Roman numerals, it stands for 50, the number 50. Remember, we know L to be 50. What if or when we add an X to the right hand side of L, LX becomes 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10 is 60. Correct. Now we have LXX. Remember, L stands for 50 and double X stands for 20, right? So it's 50 plus 10 plus 10. And 50 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 70. So LXX in Roman numerals stands for 70. LXXX. This is 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. And this is 80. So LXXX in Roman numerals stands for 80, the number 80. Now, there's another new number we'll learn in today's class, which is C. And C in Roman numerals stands for 100. So whenever we see C when counting Roman numerals, we should know or identify C as 100. So C is 100. But when we add an X to the left hand side of C, it becomes 100 minus 10. Remember our rule: when a smaller number is added to the left hand side of a larger number, we'll subtract the smaller number from the larger number. C is the larger number, X is the smaller number. So X is at the left hand side, therefore we'll say 100 minus 10. And 100 minus 10 is 90. So XC in Roman numerals stands for 90. C is where we'll stop today. And C in Roman numerals stands for 100. So whenever we see C in our Roman numerals, we should know C stands for 100. So we've come to the end of today's class. Here is a summary of what was learned. So this is the Roman numerals from 10 up to 100. Go through them and try out the activity in the activity page, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye.